Hey guys, welcome to my channel Linux King. My name is Salman Francis, and in our today's video of our Docker's Learn DevOps, we will take a look at how we can push the image which we created to Docker Hub. So if you remember from our last video, we created this image or zipped this the image. And now what we are going to do is we are going to upload this to our Docker repository. Okay, so in order to do that, we need a couple of things. First thing, if you remember from the very start, I asked you guys to create your username and login at hub.docker.com or docker.com or dockerhub.com. Okay, so if you have already done that, you can just log in. I hope you still remember your username and password. And what you need to do is you need to go to your server where you have installed Dockers, and you need to issue the command docker login. So once you issue this command, it's going to ask you for the username. I've already given them I have already logged into this. That's why it's not asking for my username or password. But first time when you will log in, it will ask you for your username and the password. So I have already provided this. And once you have provided this, it will give you this login succeed message. Okay, so then what we need to do is we need to make sure that we have our account created. And let's call this repository as Docker and test image for Docker. So the account will be itpings/docker. Okay, now it's going to be public. You can create private here as well, but it will only allow you for one private repository, and for the rest you need to pay. Okay, so I'm going to create it. And you can see that it's created. Okay, now it's also saying that last never pushed. So because it's new, that's why it's giving you these messages. And now let's go back to our command line. Okay, so now before we push the image, we need to create the tag of our image. So what we can do is Docker. So let's check if we already have that. So the tag is latest. We already have this tag. So let's do that again. So Docker tag Salman. Since we already have it, that's why we will use the same tag, latest. So it's telling that the tag is latest and the image is Salman Francis. And where we are going to push, which repository, it was Docker. It pings Docker, if we remember. Yes, here it pings /docker. Okay, and then that's it. Let's press enter, and it has created the tag. Okay, you can see here it pings /docker latest. It has been created. Okay, now we need to push it, and which is very simple. We will use docker push it pings /docker. And now it's preparing, and it's going to push it to our Docker Hub. Alright guys, it's almost done. So you can see the pushing is almost complete. And after a couple of minutes, we will be able to see the image in our Docker Hub's repository. Okay, so it's saying that it's pushed, and here's the digest. So let's go to our Docker, and at the moment you can see it's not there. Let's refresh it. And here we have it. There is one tag of latest. So this means that this repository contains one tag, and now if I just go to the repositories, we can see that test image for Docker, which we created, is available. So that's how you can push it to Dockers. And now what I'm going to do, I am going to delete the image again. Not this one, Docker images. I'm going to delete Docker RMI, it pings / Docker, and Docker RMI Salman _ Francis. Okay, there's some containers, so let's Docker -a. Okay, now it's deleted. Docker images will show you now that image Salman Francis is gone. Okay, now in order to pull the image, what I'm going to do is Docker pull, it pings / Docker / latest. So it's basically telling Docker to get the image of the tag latest from the repository it pings / Docker. Now it's extracting. It was compressed actually. And now let's clear the screen and let's say Docker images. Perfect, we have this, it pings Docker. And if you remember, we created this from Salman Francis. And let's create a container from this. Docker run -it just name is equals to SF3 this time. And it pings / Docker is the image. And I want a bin bash. Do we have PHP? Yes, we do. HTTPD, yes, we do. PSAUX, HTTPD. Perfect. So that's how we were successful in creating, uploading an image to Docker Hub, deleting an image from our local system, and then pulling that image from Docker Hub and creating a container from that image. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and just come back again for more videos. Till then, goodbye. God bless.